There's nothing I like better than working in my garden, helping all the plants grow with tender loving care. I'm never happier than when I'm in my garden, out in the clean fresh air. The weekends I love, that's the time I get my gardening gloves out, dance around and shout out, open the shed, everything I need is right where I said so. Come on now, let's go, bring the spade and the fork, get my little red trowel, you know that's my favorite.
Kukuha kami ng pang-ulam. Yan. Pwede na ba yan? Walang bayatot. Okay lang, para may sabaw lang. Isa lang pala. Yan. Yan ho, yung mais. Diba? Dalawa lang yung mais. Ba't tinanggal mo yun? Oh. Dahil dalawa lang naman kami, okay lang to.